Every day should be a beach day, where life moves a little bit slower, and you can get just a bit closer. But that's just the beginning. Because life's just better at the beach, and your vacation is better when it's 45% off. So what are you waiting for? Book now!